How to get more points in Fantasy Premier League. Let's get started. First, pick players with high expected returns. Don't just pick names. Focus on players with high expected goals and expected assists. These stats often reveal hidden gems who consistently deliver points even if they are not the most expensive. Always look ahead at the next 4 to 6 game weeks. Target players with easy fixtures. A premium player facing tough defenses is less valuable than a mid-price player with a great run. Your captain earns double points. Always pick someone who is in form, likely to start, and ideally facing a weak opponent. Never forget to change your captain based on matchups. Be patient. Avoid knee-jerk reactions after one bad game week. Use your free transfers strategically, like swapping out injured or benched players. Save transfers for double game weeks or when major fixture shifts happen. Player value changes based on how many managers transferred them in or out. Get in early on rising stars to build team value. This helps you afford more elite players later in the season. Don't rush to use bench boost, triple captain, or free hit. These are best saved for double game weeks or blank game weeks. Timing your chips can give you a huge points boost when others are struggling. Always check press conferences, injury updates, and predicted lineups before the deadline. A last minute red flag could save you from a disaster pick. Use websites like Fantasy Football Scout, FPL Review, or even Reddit communities to track form, stats, and watch list. Being informed gives you an edge over casual players. That's how you rack up more points in Fantasy Premier League. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.